Food brings us together, farms bring us together. We know now how important it is to take care of ourselves, and really agritourism is a way to invest in what we know matters: healthy food, nourishment, and it's beyond just the physical. There's something very human about putting our feet on the soil, picking a meal. It's something great to be part of.
The International Workshop on Agritourism is taking place in Burlington, Vermont, and it's an opportunity for Vermont to showcase to the world the amazing work that we have going on our farms and around our food related to agritourism, farm-based education, and welcoming visitors on our farms.
Folks that are interested in bringing farms to people and people to farms are gathering to share our knowledge, our best practices, learn from each other, inspire each other. We want to learn from others. How does this work in other countries? How does this work in other places? How are we the most welcoming we can be to people coming to farms? All of these themes will be covered at the conference. People will be out on farms learning about how things are done in Vermont, and there's a great variety of places that people can visit.
Farmers and agribusiness enterprisers look to additional type of enterprises within their businesses, one of which is service and providing experiences on the farm, whether it be experiential education or just people immersing themselves into activities around the farm and the activities on the farm. This I consider a value-added commodity that the farmer already does and can accrue some kind of benefit from. And so to turn all of that into an agribusiness enterprise, I think is fundamental to improving the bottom line of the farming sector in the state of Vermont.
As Vermonters, we're really proud to be hosting the world in a place where the working landscape is central to our identity. It's part of our culture.
This is an opportunity not only for Vermont, it's an opportunity for the U.S. and actually for our region. Some of the big sponsors and supporters that have come on are Quebec, because they understand we're bringing folks from around the globe traveling here, not just from all over the U.S. and Europe, but also from India, Africa, Asia, and they've got amazing work going on with agritourism and rural development in their communities that we can also learn a lot from.
I think it's going to be really good for Vermonters to host this gathering, because I think it will remind us that we are in fact world class and that what we have to offer is special. And then we won't take it for granted as Vermonters. And we should go out and enjoy our working lands more instead of just going past them in our busy lives.
All of the information about this conference is on our website, agritourismworkshop.com.